So your AI is brilliant, right? But what if it's trapped in a bubble? Let's fix that.
Think about it. Your AI is super smart, but it's totally isolated from your actual workspace.
Sure, it writes great emails, but it's completely blind to your GitHub repos or Slack messages. Hooking AI up to your data used to be an absolute nightmare of custom, tangled integrations. Remember having 50 different chargers before USB C came along? Well, AI just got its universal standard. Meet MCP, the Model Context Protocol. It's an open source standard from Anthropic that connects literally everything. So instead of building endless custom setups, developers just deploy one single MCP server. That's it. Instantly, your AI can securely read local files and hit company databases through one unified connection. It completely transforms a lonely chatbot into a fully integrated assistant without ever compromising your security. The future isn't just smarter models, it's seamlessly connected models. So, is your workspace ready?